Hello class, today we are going to be talking about PEMDAS. This is the order of operations, and it grows more important as our math becomes a little bit more complicated, our problems become a little bit longer. For example, if I were to give you the problem right now, 4 times 3 minus 2, some of you guys are going to get different answers. And that's because some of you guys will multiply first and some of you guys will subtract first. But there is a correct way to do this. And a way to help remember the right way is PEMDAS. That stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This is what you need to remember when you have long math problems like that. It is the correct way to complete the problem. I'm going to tell you guys a little story/rhyme to help remember the importance of PEMDAS. PEMDAS! Yelled teacher, voice loud like chimes. Know what comes first, subtraction or times, or division or adding or any old math. If you can't learn PEMDAS, you can't pass my class. The name of the teacher was Mary McGrath, and getting math wrong incurred all her wrath. And PEMDAS, she said, makes you so right. When you've seen PEMDAS, you've lit the math light. Let's learn it again, the order of math. PEMDAS so fine, like pockets of cash. Parentheses first, subtraction is last. Multiplication, division, the vote has been cast. E for exponents, you already know. Let us say, makes numbers grow. M multiplies before you add. D for division, not Dave, dog, or dad. And A is for addition, and addition's no fad. S for subtraction, it's last but still rad. So the story continues that same afternoon. In our math class, something bad happened with Mary McGrath. An innocent boy, Joey Zach Zemjas, discovered what happened when you forget PEMDAS. Now I can say McGrath is a real mean, resident evil, mean teacher queen. But back to my story and Joey's big blunder. At least he's still alive. Now that's a true wonder. McGrath made a problem for us to be solved. But Joe didn't care, he wasn't involved. The problem she'd written, 4 times 3 minus 2, wasn't so hard if you just thought it through. But Joey made a mistake. He had trouble. His PEMDAS was bad, like a really mad snake. Joey said 3 times 2 is 1, and 4 times 1 is 4. 4 is the answer. I'm satisfied, I'm pretty sure. McGrath grabbed Joey's little hand and yanked him from his seat. You ignored the rules of PEMDAS. It's time for your defeat. PEMDAS, SPEMDAS, GIMDAS, goo, yelled Joey to the class. McGrath turned red. McGrath turned blue. This will be your last day. She twisted Joey's left arm behind his head. Probably should have hurt a lot, but Joey laughed instead. Then she bent him silly, glued him to the wall, used a pound of super glue, so sure he'd never fall. Parts of Joey she mushed up and twisted him to spell PEMDAS, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. She felt so very swell. Joe hung all of last year until the end of school, and when McGrath took him down, Joey knew the rule. I hope you all have listened. I hope you've all tuned in. I hope you know your PEMDAS. It's the only way to win. So I hope that shows you guys how important PEMDAS is. It's the only way to find the right answer.